Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this light and airy undone bun. To start, we're going to curl the hair all over in tight curls and then apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then just gather the crown area of hair, give it a slight twist at the back and secure with a bobby pin or two, pinching and pulling to keep that texture. Then we're going to take a slice of hair from the ear upwards, twist it towards the head, bring it over slightly to the left hand side and pin in place. Pinch and pull to keep that airy texture. Take the same size section on the opposite side and again twist it towards the head and pinch and pull it apart a little bit and pin it slightly to the right hand side. Now we're just going to take one more section from each side from just behind the ear and we're going to do the same steps, so just twist it towards the head, bring it over slightly to the opposite side and pin in place. Don't forget to pinch and pull your little twists apart. And then take the same size section on the opposite side and again twist it towards the head, bring it over to the right and pin in place. Now I've cut up a bun donut and I've just used a bit of the padding and I'm just going to pop it in the middle of the head with a few bobby pins. And with that remaining hair that's hanging down, I'm going to split this into 3 even sections. So taking the far right hand side, I'm going to twist it all towards the head very gently and I'm going to bring it up and over to the left hand side of that padding, pinning it in place as I go. Leave the ends tumbling out on the left hand side. Now take that second section and again we're going to twist it all one way. Bring it up and over to the left hand side and secure with a few bobby pins, leaving those tail ends loose. Then take some hairspray and pinch and pull those twists apart. Now I'm just going to take all of those loose ends from those first 2 twists and clip them up and out of the way for later. And that last section I'm going to do the same steps, but I'm going to go in the opposite direction. So twist it towards the head and bring it over to the right hand side, letting the tail ends tumble down. Apply some hairspray and pinch and pull it apart. Now I'm just going to section out a couple of those smaller curls and with the rest I'm again going to twist it towards the head, bringing it over to the opposite side, pinching and pulling and securing with a few more pins. Release those tail ends down and then just leave what you like hanging down and secure the rest into the middle of that airy bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.